Thank you for taking the time to watch this AgWRAP regional application video. The intention of this video is to share some important dates and information regarding the regional application process. Only 4 BMPs are eligible for the regional application. They are Agricultural Water Supply and Reuse Pond, Agricultural Pond Repair and Retrofit, Agricultural Water Storage and Collection System, and Conservation Irrigation Conversion. It is important to note that the water supply and reuse ponds and pond repair and retrofits are combined into one application. However, applications will be based on what you will be supplying water for, irrigation or livestock watering. Water storage and collection system and conservation irrigation conversion have their own respective applications. In the website, you will see applications for these BMPs along with all needed forms and their ranking sheets, which will show you how these applications will be scored. The process begins at the district level with initial conservation planning. A cooperator and a district employee need to identify resource concerns, the goals and objectives of the cooperator, and inventory available resources and management practices available to achieve those objectives. Once the cooperator is aware of all implications related to a contract, such as the maintenance period, the application can be ranked at the district level. It is the hope of the division that districts will only continue with the rest of the process for the highest ranking projects. After the district ranking is complete, a district staff member can submit the regional application and form site on behalf of the cooperator. It is important that all required forms are uploaded into the application. Once the application is submitted, the division staff will perform a review and rank the applications. This first ranking will be based on an assessment of how well the BMP meets the cooperator's objectives and need. You can find the ranking sheets on the regional application webpage. District staff will be notified of the results of the preliminary ranking. After the applications have been ranked, only the top ranking projects will move on to the next step in the process. At this point, technical services staff, engineers, and soil scientists may perform evaluations to determine the suitability of the proposed project. This will be done for pond projects only. Technical staff will review documents submitted for conservation irrigation conversion and water storage and collection. However, site evaluations usually are not needed. The application will receive a final ranking score based on the feasibility of the project as determined by the technical services staff. Sites that have significant constraints that will negatively impact installation and increase the cost of the project will rank lower than those sites that have few or no constraints. The division will then present the projects to the AgWRAP Review Committee and then on to the Commission for funding approval. This concludes the presentation.